All right, guys, let's freaking go. MMTLP is off to the moon. That's right, baby. Off to the freaking moon. And woo! I gotta get my Ric Flair out of there. Off to the moon we go. MMTLP is just on a freaking roll. I just want to bring you a video of how excited I am for this. We're going to go over a couple things in today's video. It's Friday. I couldn't be any happier than what I already am. MMTLP is up over 23% today. Let's go. And more importantly, I want to bring you the volume. That's right. But before that, look at this here. The markets are getting destroyed. S&P is down 104 points. The Dow 30 is down 661 points. The NASDAQ is down almost 400 points. The Russell is down 48 points. Crude oil is on the rise again. I know we shouldn't be celebrating crude oil, but we have to be celebrating crude oil because that's what's going to be our, spin out / preferred share dividend. Guys, this thing is on a roll. Look at the volume today, guys. We covered this in yesterday's video. Our average volume traded for MMTLP is 296,000, and we are approaching 900,000 in volume. We talked about this. We could be hitting millions in volume. We could be hitting 1 million in volume today. It's very possible. We're currently at 893,000 in volume, and we still got about an hour or so to go on volume, so we'll probably be over 900,000 in volume. Taking a look at the day's range, it started around $2 up to $2.50 as a high, and we are approaching that high again here as we're at $2.43. We'll see if that changes here. And I wanted to bring this chart up here. Let me refresh this. There we go. $2.43 up 23%. This is the 1 day. Look at the 5-day chart, guys. 60 freaking percent. Let's go. 61% almost. Up 92 cents in 5 days in a crashing bear market. This is where we know that we got the shorts where we want them. They are freaking trapped, and this is just exciting. I'm just excited. I'm excited. Anyway, let's go take a look here at the crude oil price. Look at the crude oil. WTI crude is back at $92.79. Brent crude at $98.13. Natural gas is $6.71. Woo! I did this tweet here. I got to give John Berta a big shout out. He put the link here to iBorrowDesk. And guys, MMTLP is currently at 21% short borrow fee. And I put here the shorts are running out of time. And, torch the shorts there with the emojis. Here we go over to the iBorrowDesk.com report on MMTLP. This is what John Berta shared. This has MMTLP on it. And you can see this was updated here at 3 o'clock, which is 1500 in military time. 21.6% fee. And there is 750,000 shares available to lend, borrow, short. And when John Berta posted here this morning, there was 1.1 million, and we dropped down to 700,000. So that's where we're going to get into John Berta's tweet here. Let me go find it here, Mr. John Berta, because I know I retweeted it. There's so much going on. Yeah, right here. So John Berta did this tweet. He did the iBorrowDesk MMTLP. Looks like they borrowed another 400,000 shares to try to keep the price down, but it's not happening. And I retweeted this with putting the rats a scurrying. If you remember the John Berta MetaFam chat talk, he said once this S1 comes out and we get those dates, we're going to see the rats scurry. But they're starting to scurry here before this even has the dates in there because they're probably starting to short cover this. Also, in yesterday's video, we focused on the S1A amendment number 2, which talks about the short squeeze in progress. So that is this here. Go watch yesterday's video. There was a lot of great information in it. I'm telling you, I'm going to put this video down in the pinned comments. You need to go check out this video. There's a lot of great information in there. We cover that MMTLP short squeeze notice for the people that is short. We got Houston Wade giving us some information as well of his thoughts on an MMTLP short squeeze. Man, it's an exciting time to be an MMTLP shareholder and an exciting time to be an MMAT shareholder because he discloses in there when all this is said and done, This is going to put huge revenue in MetaMaterials books. And once these come out in the earnings, Wall Street's going to notice it. And things are going to start to change. A lot of eyes is going to be put on to MetaMaterials, guys. So this is exciting times. Yeah, this is just amazing. There we go. Hit $2.44. We're over 900,000 now in volume. It's kind of like a live stream. 905,000. We could hit 1 million in volume today, guys. We could hit 1 million in volume. If we do, I'll come back to that and do a video later tonight, just updating a quick. We hit the 1 million in volume once this thing is done. Up over 23.86%. Let's go. There is a lot of stuff on Twitter, so let's get to it here. This was yesterday. Smokey did a great video breaking down to Mr. Thomas Welch on the exchange of MMAX shares. Go check out his video. It is very helpful to understand that. We got Roller Pigeon here doing a tweet today. Exciting price action for MMTLP. I am not selling until anything under blah, blah, blah. I'm not selling anything until 85 and it goes up from there. 3.2 billion barrels of oil plus natural gas, amount yet to be determined. So there you go. She said she is not selling until 85. Guys, this is important for you with this action starting to start setting prices that you're comfortable with wanting to sell your shares. There's no one going to say you did wrong if you sell your shares. I'm not selling anywhere around these prices. They don't even interest me right now. I don't know exactly. People's been asking me prices, and I don't really know yet. I'm just living in this moment of MMTLP on the rise, and I'm not going to, you know, decide exactly how I'm going to handle this process yet. But right now, these prices don't even interest me, guys. Honestly, until I would see this kind of hit like 20 bucks, it may catch my interest. This is great keeping you guys up to date what's going on. I'm definitely not selling anything under 20, that's for sure. And if I do sell anything at 20, I've talked about this before, if I sell anything at 20 bucks, it may be just enough to cover my initial investment. That would be it. Just enough to cover, which wouldn't take many shares to sell to cover my initial investment. So then basically everything else is a free ride. And there's nothing wrong with setting the price. I may not even sell at 20 because this is kind of a day-to-day, like, you know, determining how we're going to handle this. And I don't want to make any like decisions of, I'm going to do this exactly at 20. I'm going to do this exactly at 25 and 30 because I don't know. Until we get the S1 officially out there and the dates are out there and seeing what comes out from these press releases and other things like that, I'll be doing videos keeping you up to date of my actions. If I do decide to sell some, you know, at 20, 30, 40, $50, I don't know where I'm going to sell at yet. But I know like the big bulk of my positions will be above like $70, probably closer to 85, like a roller pitch, but I won't be selling them all because this could hit 100. It could hit higher than 100. We don't know. This thing could hit whatever price it wants to. It just really depends on the market. You can see it dropped down to 240, back to 243. Volume now at 918,000, guys. We could hit 1 million. So hope you all enjoyed this quick little update. If you did, give a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and I may see you later tonight if we hit over 1 million volume. I'll catch y'all in the next video, guys. Peace.